You've been told to eat less salt and to get more cardio. But the most powerful ways to help manage your blood pressure are hiding in plain sight, in some very weird places. Holding still could be better than running, and one specific guilty pleasure is actually a clinical tool. It's time to look past the obvious. Welcome to Levitas. Today, we are exploring the clinically backed but rarely discussed strategies to support healthy blood pressure. Now, I have a question for you. What is the single strangest piece of health advice you've ever received that actually worked? Let me know in the comments below, and please hit that like button. Your engagement is our nutrient, and it truly helps the channel with the algorithm. Trick number 1. All right, let's start with a few things you can sip. First up, beetroot juice. I know, for some it tastes like dirt. But from a clinical perspective, it's liquid gold. Why? It is packed with dietary nitrates. When you drink it, your body converts those nitrates into a miracle molecule called nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is a vasodilator. That's a medical term meaning it tells the muscles in your blood vessel walls to relax. When they relax, the vessel widens, and blood flows through with less pressure. It's like turning a narrow garden hose into a wide fire hose. The pressure just drops. And this isn't just theory. A 2025 study on the efficacy of beetroot juice supplementation confirmed it is a truly effective intervention for helping reduce blood pressure in hypertensive patients. Now, if beets are not for you, how about a cup of tea? Specifically, hibiscus tea. This crimson-colored tea is loaded with powerful antioxidants, especially anthocyanins. Think of these as a cleanup crew for the oxidative stress and inflammation inside your blood vessels. And the science is solid. A major 2022 meta-analysis published by the NIH looked at all the data and found that regular hibiscus tea consumption significantly lowered systolic blood pressure. It's a simple, calming ritual that has a real, measurable effect. Trick number 2. Okay, let's talk about the one you've been waiting for, dark chocolate. Yes, you heard that right. As a doctor, I am telling you that chocolate can be part of a heart-healthy plan. But there is a crucial catch. The magic is not in the sugar. It's in the flavanols found in the cocoa bean. These potent compounds are believed to improve your endothelial function. That's the health of the delicate, single-cell thick lining of your blood vessels. A 2025 review of human trials confirmed that flavanol-containing foods, including cocoa, can help reduce high blood pressure by helping your body optimize those nitric oxide levels we just talked about. But here is the non-negotiable rule. This isn't a license to eat a sugary candy bar. We are talking about a small, daily portion, think 1 or 2 squares, of high cacao, 75% or higher dark chocolate. The more bitter, the better. Trick number 3. Now we get to my favorite part. This one is truly weird because it goes against everything we've been taught. We're all told to run, swim, or bike for our heart. But what about not moving at all? I'm talking about isometric exercises. These are static holds. You tense a muscle, and you just hold it. No movement, no panting, no sweating. And here is the kicker. A groundbreaking 2023 systematic review published in the prestigious British Journal of Sports Medicine completely turned our understanding of exercise and blood pressure on its head. Researchers analyzed 270 different trials. And their finding? Isometric exercises, specifically wall squats, were found to be more effective at lowering resting blood pressure than aerobic exercise, more effective than traditional weight training, and more effective than high-intensity interval training, or HIIT. Let me say that again. Sitting against a wall was found to be better than running. So, how does this doing nothing exercise work? It's brilliant. When you hold that squat, your leg muscles contract and stay contracted. This temporarily pinches the blood vessels in your legs, restricting blood flow. You hold this for, say, 2 minutes. Then you stand up. The release is instantaneous. Your brain senses the change and your vessels open wide, causing a sudden rush of blood to flow back into the muscle. The study protocol was about 4 sets of 2-minute holds, 3 times a week. Doing this repeatedly trains your arteries to be more flexible and improves your blood flow efficiency. 24/7. Trick number 4. Now, if a 2-minute wall squat sounds like torture for your knees, don't worry. The same 2023 review highlighted an even easier isometric exercise, just squeezing a hand grip device. That's it. Studies, including several from 2022, found that using a hand grip device at about 30% of your maximum squeeze and holding it for a few minutes can achieve a very similar benefit. You can do this while watching TV. This is perhaps the most accessible form of effective exercise on the planet. Let's stick with the hands. What about acupressure? This ancient technique involves applying steady pressure to specific points on the body. While a 2023 systematic review confirmed that acupuncture is highly effective, you can get some of the benefits yourself at home. A 2019 review pointed to auricular acupressure, that is, pressing specific points on your ear, as showing significant promise for lowering blood pressure. It's believed to work by stimulating nerves that send a calm down signal to your brain, helping to regulate your nervous system. Trick number 5. That brings us to the root of the issue for so many people: stress. Your body has two operating systems: the sympathetic or fight-or-flight system, and the parasympathetic or rest and digest system. When you're stressed, your blood pressure goes up. That's the fight-or-flight response. Deep breathing is your body's manual override switch. When you intentionally slow your breath, especially making your exhale longer than your inhale, like 5 seconds in, 7 seconds out, you physically force your body to shift into that rest and digest state. Your heart rate slows, your vessels relax, and your blood pressure drops. A 2023 article in the journal Frontiers confirmed what we've long suspected. Daily deep breathing exercises are a powerful, zero-cost intervention for lowering both stress and resting blood pressure. Want a weird way to do your breathing exercises? Start singing. This might be my favorite one. Singing is, by its very nature, a form of deep, diaphragmatic breathing. But it's even better because it's joyful. A 2025 study noted that singing releases endorphins, your feel-good hormones, enhances your oxygen intake, and improves circulation. It's a trifecta of benefits: a breathing exercise, a stress reducer, and for many, a powerful form of social connection. Trick number 6. If singing isn't your thing, try writing. This is not a soft skill. It is a physiological intervention. Stress, worry, and cynicism are major contributors to high blood pressure. The most direct antidote we know of is gratitude. A 2023 systematic review found that gratitude interventions, like keeping a gratitude journal, can have a direct, positive impact on cardiovascular outcomes. In fact, a 2021 review highlighted that the simple act of writing down 3 things you're grateful for before bed can lead to a significant drop in diastolic blood pressure. Why? Because you can't be grateful and stressed at the exact same time. It calms the nervous system, reduces those toxic stress hormones, and gives your body a chance to heal. Trick number 7. Okay, this last one isn't weird so much as it's criminally overlooked. Everyone screams at you to lower your sodium, but they almost always forget to tell you the other, more important, half of the equation: increase your potassium. It is the sodium to potassium ratio in your cells that matters most. Potassium is the good guy in this fight. It actively helps your kidneys flush out excess sodium through urine, and it directly helps to ease tension in your blood vessel walls. The landmark InterSalt study confirmed this decades ago. Populations with high potassium intake have lower blood pressure, almost regardless of their sodium intake. So instead of just stressing about taking the salt out, focus on adding in potassium-rich foods like avocados, spinach, sweet potatoes, and unripe bananas. This is a much more positive and sustainable way to eat. So, what is the final doctor's verdict? Managing blood pressure is a complex puzzle. These weird strategies are powerful, evidence-based tools to add to your lifestyle. They are the 1% changes that add up to a massive impact. The 2023 data on isometric exercise, in particular, is a paradigm shift. It proves that a few minutes of static holding 3 times a week could be one of the most potent lifestyle changes you can make. So, here's the plan. Combine a weird exercise you can stick with, like wall squats or hand grips, with a weird sip you enjoy, like hibiscus tea, and a weird mindset shift, like a 5-minute gratitude practice. When you do that, you are creating a comprehensive, sustainable, and most importantly, enjoyable plan that supports your heart from every single angle. Watch this video suggestion. It was especially picked for you. Also share, comment, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. It helps a ton with the algorithm. Remain tuned for future videos to empower your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.